Cleaning the espresso machine. Step 1. This cabinet right here has this Cavisa and this toothbrushy thing. Grab a container like this. Fill it pretty full with hot water. I can't wait for finish that. Take a scoop or two of this Cavisa, mix it in there. Use a spoon to take out this top. See this? Take that out, the basket, throw it in here. Do the same with the other one. Pass it out. And then up here, there are these baskets. These are called the blinds. They don't have holes in them, no holes. Put these in here. Like that. The other one in here. Like that. Okay. Up under here. See that screw? You can use a screwdriver. There's one in a little bucket in that cabinet, but you can also use a spoon. And just unscrew the screw. It is hot. Maybe in this case, the screwdriver would be easier. See that? It is very hot. Do the other one. Okay. Then take a scoop of this Cavisa and put one in there. Put one in there. Put them in here, nice and tight. And then you press the double shot buttons. And the timer reaches about 10 seconds. We shut them off and we count to 10. Approximately. Then we're going to do it again for 10 seconds. So we go 10 seconds on, 10 seconds off, 5 times. 5 times. 10 seconds on, 10 seconds off, 5 times. So once you've done that, we dump them out in there. And then we use our spoon and take these blinds out. Put them up back up top, and then grab a towel. We're going to fish out this stuff that has been soaking. Try hard not to lose this little screw, and we're going to clean this off. Clean it really, really good. Give it a really good bath, like this. Looks super shiny. That with the other basket. That water is very hot. It's boiling water, so be careful. Clean this one out. We're going to take the little screens out. It's kind of tricky. These are what get pretty gross. You can see they get, well, it's been soaking pretty good, but you can see on the inside this caked on black stuff in here. So we're just going to clean that out. Make these look nice and shiny. nice and clean. Then I actually soak these in here for a little bit. And then you can use this water and get up under here and scrub with a little toothbrush. You scrub all this out. Really, really good. Same with this side. Look at, see how dirty that is? Actually, it's not too bad. But watch how clean it gets when you just rinse it real quick. Just give these a good scrub. Good scrub, good scrub. You can take this, wipe up in here, wipe up in here, wipe up in here. We are, sorry.
Until what time do you guys usually?
Then I'm gonna fish out the screws. Here's, take the screw. The screen goes. You put the screw through the top. It goes up, upside down, up in here. See, this is the top of it. It goes upside down, up in there. And you can start it with your fingers probably. And then tighten it. You do not need to tighten it super tight, but just enough to just till it doesn't go anymore. Doesn't go anymore. Just like that. Over there. Up on me. Twist it on just till it goes. Mini screwdriver maybe will work better. So stay. We'll leave the screwdriver up here. Then take this out. Give it a good clean. I actually sometimes will take it to the sink. Give it a nice good wash through. Same thing with this one, good clean. See how shiny these are? Put the original baskets back in. Original basket back in. And I put them back on, rinsing water through just till it, you can almost see when it starts to run a little bit clearer. Getting that chemical out of there. And the hard part is taking this to the back sink to wash it, the tray. The whole tray comes up. It's hard because there's a hole in it, so we don't want to spill it. Like this. It is also very hot. No! Not work. I just spilled a bunch of that on the floor. So I can have a little off. This is a good clean. This is a clean. Back over here. See the hole? The hole goes above there. The hole is in like the front left of this. Okay, so it looks like this. Then you take a wet rag and you clean this thing like crazy. All of this. See how shiny it gets? Clean this. You clean up around in here. You clean the knobs. You clean in between. See how it's all clean. The front of it. The side of it. You go around front and clean the front of it. I emptied those out, washed them. I took all of the milk pitchers and I brought them back and washed those. These can just stay like this. And then the only other thing is making sure that these are really clean. And if the wands are not clean, you can actually put new water in here and you can soak them. Just put this up here and soak it. There. So I'll put this spoon here, this tool back in here, the Kaviza right there. Dip this down the sink of the back. Rinse that up. Clean the counter.